Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. As always, it is Nick here, back for your daily crypto news and analysis. And today we are going to be talking about NBD Financials. This is a project that I made a video on prior to this, and since then a lot has changed. Now this is going to be a full deep dive in on this project. I'm going to give you guys a ton of insights on what to expect in this year and why I believe that this thing could be a massive gem. Full transparency, no, I'm not sponsored or paid at all by this team to make this video. No project is ever going to sponsor the channel. I don't do that. I don't take payments to make videos or anything like that on any project. This is strictly because of the knowledge and the information that I've gained from researching this project and why I think that this could be a big winner. Now, also, please understand the risk involved in investing into any cryptocurrency. Anything can go to zero. Make sure that you are only investing what you can afford to lose. And with that being said, let's dive on in. So I have been addressing a few categories around crypto to really watch for this year and going forward. AI, real world asset tokenization, gaming, SocialFi, these are big opportunities. And I even made a post recently talking about these major trends this year and why a lot of money is going to be pouring into these spaces and these sectors. We've already started to see enterprise and institutional focus on a few of these initiatives, and NBD, in my opinion, is really becoming a crucial piece of the puzzle. And we're going to be talking about why. Now, outside of that, I've been addressing this chart from DeFi Llama, and these are the categories around TVL, and it ranks them all by the amount of TVL. Going from $30 billion all the way down the list. Now, as you guys do see, sitting at number 6, RWA, real world assets. 2023 was the year of tokenization. It really was. I mean, hell, starting in 2023, when we look at how much money was here, it was sub $1 billion. By the end of 2023, we were already over $5+ billion. I mean, at one point in time in October, we hit $6 billion plus in terms of TVL. And we already know that some of the largest traditional financial giants like BlackRock with Larry Fink already said that tokenization is going to transcend every single other major market. I mean, tokenization is one of the largest opportunities that blockchain and DLT really does have to offer the real world. Now also, Boston Consulting Group, BCG, projected $16 trillion in valuation by 2030, which we know is probably just a conservative prediction. Tokenization has become a spotlighted thing, and I think that this is only going to continue to become a trend this year. Now, with that in mind, let's look into NBD. So they put out this post over on X, and this was at the end of December. Now, this idea of Amazon of Web3, it's a little bit of a marketing term, if I'm being honest, because again, we've seen this in the past with like the graph. The graph was essentially the Google of Web3. But again, this is just more marketing, technically. But we have Web3 commerce with NBD Financials. In the rapidly evolving landscape of digital commerce, NBD Financials stands at the forefront, not just as a platform, but as a catalyst for change in the Web3 ecosystem, industry impact. Virtual real estate, pioneering in digital land ownership, we're unlocking new potentials in virtual economies. Digital fashion frontier, merging the digital and physical in fashion, creating a unique space for expression and innovation. Gaming and digital assets, transforming how in-game assets are valued and traded, empowering gamers to own and profit from their digital experiences. Art and collectibles redefined, facilitating a diverse digital art and collectibles market, fostering creativity and authenticity. Blending worlds, our mission extends beyond transactions. It's about building bridges between Web 2 and Web 3, making the digital realm accessible and engaging for all. Rethinking digital ownership at NBD Financials. We're not just envisioning a new marketplace, we're creating an ecosystem where digital ownership is intuitive, inclusive, and impactful. Creating a global shift. Join us as we shape a future where digital commerce transcends boundaries, bringing together communities and unlocking limitless possibilities. Now, again, some images here regarding this new platform. They've actually been putting out some sneak peeks at this, and it looks pretty solid. Listen, as we really look at some of these images, these are just teasers. This is just a little bit of a beta, if you will. It looks pretty solid. I like the UI. Again, number one thing to focus on is UI. I've been talking about it for a while. UI is so damn crucial in the Web3 world. But also outside of this, right? They've been constantly focused on building and continuing to make a ton of noise on X. We have been following this project for well over 10 months now. Recently, there was a dev wallet exploited back in October, and the team did handle it perfectly. We were actually in the project. We seen it cascade, and we were wondering what the hell is going on. And well, guess what? They gave us a full transparent viewpoint on this. They gave us the wallet. They gave out all the information regarding the problem in the Telegram group. And again, that's a number one thing to really look at when you're investing any money into our project. And it's so crucial to note transparency, right? Like transparency goes a long way in the space, and also a fully doxed team as well goes a long way, and they are fully doxed. So again, crucial thing to note there. But outside of this, I also made a post regarding MBD financials just recently today. I said it's now officially been 1 week since January has started, and the team at MBD financials has been crushing it. These 6 partnerships were announced in just the last week alone. Now, a few of these partnerships are not like big players, right? But some of them are large players in the space. Like for an example, Questen, 165,000 plus followers, a very large player. And this is more so for marketing. But we also have Flock IO, which is an AI co-creation platform. But there's a lot of other AI projects that they did partner with as well. I'm very excited for this. I think that they are going to continue these major partnerships. From what we've seen in the roadmap, it looks as though they are fully focused on building. But I also said we are also seeing a completely new roadmap release from the team, which I do have it open over here in a new tab, with some incredible moves to be made from Q1 all the way through Q4, including major exchange listings. There are now over 1,800 plus holders of MBD, and this has grown over 600 plus in just the last 2 weeks alone. The market cap of MBD right now is $1.7 million, while the team has secured funding for over $10 million plus to build out their real-world asset marketplace and other great products. This project is combining everything we have been focused on under one umbrella, from implementing AI-driven products, focusing on Web3, and even building out vital pieces for the real-world asset marketplace. This truly could be a massive opportunity, and even gaming technically. They also just had a great AMA, which gave us a ton of insights into what the team is planning for this year and beyond. Check it out here. I strongly believe that if the team delivers, which from what we have seen so far, I believe they do, then this could truly be a huge winner this cycle. But again, it's questionable, right? It's not a guarantee. So please make sure that you understand the risk. I'm not giving out financial advice here. I'm just giving you guys fundamental research that I've done on the project. Also, for those wondering, I'm not paid, endorsed, or incentivized by this project or the team at all. I don't do project promotions. I just have been researching this project and have been talking about it for over 10 months now. Now, again, yes, right now, currently speaking, the market cap for MBD is sitting at about roughly $1.6 million. And what's crazy about this, right, is that they did secure $10 million in funding. And this was a year ago, and this is from LDA Capital. But it's kind of crazy to think that they have $10 million in funding. They're sitting at a $1.6 million market cap. I mean, at the end of the day, this just proves to you that MBD is extremely undervalued just from the funding aspect. But again, we can't just go off of that. Let's look at the roadmap. So again, looking at the roadmap, we do have the full 2024 viewpoint on what MBD is really focused on. Like I said, this is the year that they really start to ramp up, in my opinion. We were following them at a time where it was just basically a startup. Now we are seeing them really take the initiative and give us a viewpoint on what's happening. So Q1, laying the groundwork and pioneering innovations. They're going to be launching an MBD Ethereum DEX pairing, Marketplace Development 3.0. They are going to unveil a significant upgrade in their marketplace technology, expanding earnings opportunities and enhancing our affiliate program. Also, they are going to do a marketplace card payment integration, effortlessly blending DeFi with traditional finance. Then BRC20 token integration. They're launching MBD merch as well. This is phygital merchandise. Marketing and branding launch as well. Marketing strategies are going to ramp up later on in Q1. Redesign project website, which, by the way, they really do need a website. I think the last time that I did make a video regarding MBD, that was the number one thing that I was really stressing, is that the website definitely needs a lot of work. And if you guys do look, you can see that the website is pretty rough. So I'm very excited for the new website. But beyond that, R&D and licensing for DeFi banking platforms. So they are going to be building out a DeFi banking platform on top of the real world asset marketplace, embarking on research and development and acquiring essential licenses for our DeFi banking platform. This is a crucial thing to know. Then also Q2, expansion and virtual world development, top tier exchange listings. Again, another crucial thing to note, they've already got approval from what we've seen in the Telegram. They already got approval on a lot of these major exchanges. So they're just waiting to actually build out and develop a lot of these products because, again, they're not trying to just pump the token price. They're trying to build and then get those listings. So they already have approvals there. They're just waiting for products to actually fully launch. Marketplace gem and reward model. This is a reward systems for their community, which, by the way, if you are an MBD holder, you are collecting fees and transfer fees from the token. I will say one thing to note, the transfer fees and the buying and selling fee is a little bit high. I think it's around like 3 to 5%. This is to also fund internal operations. Then we also have DeFi platform expansion, broadening our decentralized finance services, continued marketing momentum, token utility launch and expansion as well, architecture development, a photorealistic metaverse business district as well. Then Q3 community focus and metaverse milestones, marketplace community section expansion, real world asset use cases expansion, introducing innovative real world asset integrations, B2B, 2C marketing expansion, onboarding Web2 and Web3 projects onto the digital landscapes, completion and launch of DeFi banking platform. So Q3 is when we get this DeFi banking platform fully launched. Pre-sale of metaverse business district real estate. Again, a crucial thing to note. That's also another big deal. I also think that the metaverse is going to return with the retail sector returning to crypto, which we have been focused on the Google Trends. Q4, realizing the future of digital real estate and innovation. Community-driven expansion, affiliate ambassador program launch, in-depth market research, MVP financial platform, exclusive MBD crypto debit cards, and then the launch of Metaverse Business District real estate with AR and VR capabilities. So again, to really summarize all of this, they are focused on a few frontiers. It's not just the marketplace that they're building. They're also building out the launch of the Metaverse platform, the launch of the MVP financial platform, and then also the DeFi banking platform. There is a lot of substance here. If the team does deliver, and again, it's a big if because we can't just put all the trust in the team. This is our hard-earned money that we are investing here. If the team does deliver, I think that this will be extremely successful. From what I've experienced with the team, again, they've been very transparent. They've been answering any questions that I've asked. From what I've seen, this project could be a massive winner, and I do believe that the team will deliver. We still need to focus on it. We still need to make sure that we are aware of this. We also need to be aware of the risk involved because, again, this is not financial advice. I'm giving you guys fundamental research that I've done on this project. I personally believe that with real-world asset tokenization becoming a hot topic, with AI becoming a hot topic, with the metaverse possibly returning, I do think that MBD could be a major success. And also with the funding, right? The funding round is so crucial to note considering the fact that the market cap, it's $1.6 million versus $10 million in funding. It's kind of crazy to think about. But also outside of this, we've already started to see a big move from MBD. They've been growing rapidly. The last time that I looked at the token, 1,800 holders. Guys, I've watched this grow over 600 plus in just the last 2 weeks alone. So a lot more eyes are on MBD now than ever before. We were talking about it, we were addressing it, and we were aware of MBD before a lot of the big players started to talk about it. But now we're starting to see it grow rapidly. They just hit 12,000 followers on X. They were at like 6,000 followers when I found them. So this is a project that has started to grow rapidly in the short term. And if they do continue to give us updates like they have been in just the last week alone, I don't think that MBD is going to have a problem at all becoming a big giant in the space. So definitely focus on them, add it to your watch list. Again, be aware of the risk involved. This is still a smaller tier project. It's not as established as other players. So it does have high risk tied to it. but it also does have high reward tied to it as well. So with that being said, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, definitely leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications on because more free content. You guys are more than welcome to follow me on Twitter and join the free Discord in the description below. And with that being said, guys, it's been Nick. Peace out.